Keep the keep the roundness to your outside. Outside hand down. Good. Good. And then go ahead into canter. Keep her forward, go straight. Sit back on your bum. And trot. Good, Suzanne. How'd that feel?
Felt awesome.
Yeah, that was the right lead too. Keep that left hand down. Stay back on your bum. And into canter. Outside hand down. Keep your leg. Stay back on your bum. And into trot. Good. Shoulder forward. Outside hand down. And canter. And trot. Good. And transition to walk. Good job, Susie.